project number 4, which is to analyze keyword competition. Now, this is another Keyword Elite project that saves you loads of time, because you can find out how competitive a keyword is, and you can see how well optimized each of the top ranked websites in Google, how well they're optimized for a given keyword. This would have taken you hours and hours of research in the past, but now it's easy. You start with project 1 by creating a keyword list. That's the first thing you do. So we're going to try something a little competitive, like weight loss. Click OK. Keyword Elite quickly builds a keyword list of 100 keywords. We're going to sort by user text. Weight loss is the phrase we're going to use. Those are the ones we want to hone in on. I'm going to click on that row, and I'm going to hold the Control key and select another few keyword phrases. Right-click and send to project number 4, Analyze Keyword Competition. Now, under step 3, we can either analyze the top 5 ranked websites, or we can run it all the way up to the top 100. But it's for each of these individual keywords, by the way, but for the purposes of the video, we're just going to slide it back down to 5, the top 5. If you wanted to, you could also enter the sites manually. If you have certain competitors that you want to target, see what they're up to, see how well optimized they are, you can look at their websites specifically. But for this example, we're just going to retrieve the top 5 results from Google. Click OK. Keyword Elite goes out to the internet and starts bringing back the data on these top 5 websites. It takes a little bit of time, like 10 or 15 seconds to start bringing in the results. And this is amazing. I mean, it would have taken you hours to do this in the past. Now we know that there's 187 million websites competing for weight loss, the keyword phrase in Google. On Overture, it was searched for 570,179 times. That's in the last month. And we have this data for each of these keywords. It's a real brief indication of how many websites are out there competing for these keywords, how many times they're being searched for. If you click on a row, all this other information appears below. This is all your research done for you. It's going to show you exactly how well each of these sites is optimized. All the top ranking factors that play into how well a site ranks, and we can instantly see how well each of these sites are doing, each of the steps. So here are the top 5 ranked websites. Here they're listed. There's their URLs. Look at weightloss.about.com. They're listed twice. That's because they have 2 pages that are 2 different pages that are ranked in Google for the weight loss term. Now look over to the right, and for each page we can see the page rank. We can see the number of words that appear on each of these pages. We can see how many times the keyword phrase weight loss is repeated on each of these pages. It's on weightloss.about.com 14 times, and you can see a different number of times for each of these other pages. The keyword density calculation, the number of times weight loss appears in the title of the page, how many links on the page include that keyword, how many times it's included in the alt image tags. It's also going to tell us how many times the keyword appears in the meta tag, keyword tag on the web page, how many times the keyword weight loss appears in the description, how many times it's bolded, how many times it appears in the H1 tags. So these are all the elements that play into a good ranking for a particular keyword. You can look through here and see then, did the owner of this site optimize the site intentionally, or did they accidentally get a good ranking? And then, consequently, could you come in, optimize your pages correctly, and quickly rise to the top of the listings? If you scroll down, you'll also see the results for just the keyword weight and just the keyword loss. And that's how you can quickly and easily analyze your keyword competition for your given keyword and keyword phrases. And I think you can see, you can know in advance, is this search engine ranking battle that I can quickly and easily win? And if it is, you can move in and you can create those pages. And if it isn't, if it's going to be too competitive, you'll know that ahead of time. Another powerful time-saving feature of Keyword Elite.